Hi guys, this is Moshumi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to cover up these acne spots using minimal products. I mean as minimal as possible and get a dewy and natural finish. So first, I will wash my face using this face wash from Wow Skin Science Vitamin C range. You always should do makeup on your clean face. Clean face helps to get a flawless, long-lasting makeup base and also prevents from any breakouts. Next, for a week now, I am using this step instead of any toner. I have heard a lot about it on YouTube, so thought why don't I try it out for my acne. Taking this apple cider vinegar from Wow Skin Science, I am adding it to the water in 4:1 ratio. If your skin is very sensitive, you can add more water, and I am applying it all over my face with the help of a cotton ball. It has organic acids in it which helps to kill the bacteria that causes acne. Also, it helps to lighten any pigmentation and dark spots on your skin. Not only that, if you take 5 ml with a glass of water every morning in your empty stomach, it can help you to manage your weight, boost heart health, manage blood sugar, and helps you to get shiny hair and glowing skin. And also remember, before buying any apple cider vinegar, is that the best and the healthiest SCV is the one that has not been filtered and has the mother of vinegar written on the packaging like this one. I have been using this SCV drink from Wow Skin Science for a week now, and I can say that it doesn't immediately vanishes the dark spots, but yeah, it's working gradually for sure. Next, the sunscreen is must. Even if you are at home and you have acne problems, you should wear sunscreen always. Now, I'll apply this primer from Nykaa. It not only blurs out the pores, it also helps to absorb the excess oil of your face. So, I'm applying it where my skin gets oily and has pores. After applying the primer, I am just using this strobe cream from MAC in the shade Silver Light to get a glowy and dewy base. I know I am applying a lot of things before makeup, but always remember, the more you apply skincare products before makeup, the more your skin becomes well protected and builds a barrier between your skin and makeup. Now my skin prep is done. I will apply this Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline in the shade Caramel and applying it wherever I have dark spots with the help of my finger. Instead of any orange corrector, I am using this concealer which is exactly of my skin tone, because sometimes if we are not that expert, we may mess up with the orange corrector. And also I find it the better way than using a corrector. If you apply exact shade of your skin tone or one shade darker than your skin tone, it helps to cover up the dark spots very easily. And if you do it with your finger, the finishing becomes more flawless. Next, to set this concealer, I am applying this translucent powder from MAC Cosmetics and applying it almost all over my face with the help of a brush. If you want, you can stop here, but as I said, I want a glowy finish as well, so I'm using the foundation also. I'm mixing these two shades from Milani and MAC Cosmetics and adding this illuminator from NYX Cosmetics and putting some dots on my face with the help of my finger. As you can see, I am using a very minimum foundation here and blending it with the help of a brush all over my face and neck. Once it's done, to brighten up my under eye, I am using this yellow corrector from this Nykaa Skin Genius Conceal and Correct palette and applying it under my eyes as minimal as possible and blending it with the help of a brush. After that, to set my base again, I am applying the same translucent powder from MAC Cosmetics and applying it all over my face and neck. Next, to get a defined structure to the face, I'm using this bronzer shade from this Color Bar Glow Craze palette and applying it wherever I need to create the shadows and so that my face doesn't look all white in person. It gets a definition. I'm applying a very little amount of it. For the blush, I am using this Pink Pinnacle shade from Sugar Cosmetics blush collections and applying it on the apples of my cheeks and a little bit on my nose as well. Next, for my eyebrows, I am not doing anything over the top, just filling in the gaps using this microfine pencil from Nykaa. It looks very natural in person. Once I'm done with my eyebrows, I will do my eye makeup now. For that, I'm using this light shade from Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette and applying it in the crease area and spreading it a little bit above the crease area also and blending it seamlessly. And next, applying the same shade on my lower eyelid as well with the help of a fluffy brush. It gives a subtle look to the eyes. Next, I am applying some highlighter on my inner corners of the eyes from MAC Cosmetics. I was going to finish it off here but don't know why, but suddenly wanted to add some glitter which is also in a very less amount. Using this glitter from Faces Canada and applying a little bit of it with the help of my finger on the eyelid areas only. Then I am applying a nude kajal from Wet n Wild on my waterline to make my eyes look bigger. After curling my eyelashes, I am applying this mascara from Sugar Cosmetics. I won't wear any falsies today, so coating my upper and lower lashes multiple times. When my eye makeup is all done, I'm gonna apply this highlighter from MAC Cosmetics in the shade Soft and Gentle wherever I need that glow. It gives a very dewy kind of finish to the base. For outlining my lips, I am using this lip liner which I bought from Flipkart a long time ago. It's a non-branded one. There is no shade or name written on it. But I love the color. And filling in the lips with this lipstick from Maybelline in the shade Touch of Spice. Lastly, to set everything in place, I am using this makeup fixer from Sugar Cosmetics. It gives a dewy finish to the look. So yeah, that's it. That's my final look, and if I zoom in, you can see how my acne spots got vanished, and also the base is very lightweight, wearable at any time in any season. The base has turned out so dewy. I don't know whether it's visible here or not, but yeah, the base is really flawless and also dewy, glowy and healthy looking. So if you like this video, don't forget to let me know that in the comment section, and also if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and please like and share this video if you find it helpful. See you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.